Hey, this is my third song, my final song. It's also kind of an original, more like a spin on an old thing. But Green Magnitude and Purple Wrath don't make an appearance in the song, so I thought I'd mention them early. Alright, here we go. Now this is a story all about how my life got flipped, turned upside down, and I'd like to take a reduction, just sit right there. I'll tell you how I became the prince of a town called Bel Air. Dun 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 dun. I gotta put the music in there. In West Philadelphia, born and raised, on the playground is where I spent most of my days, chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all cool and all, shooting some b-ball outside of the school, when a couple of guys who were up to no good started lifting weights and using white flood. I got in one little fight and my mom got scared and said, "You're moving with your auntie and uncle in Bel Air." I whistled for a cab, and when it came near, the license plate said lifting color and had dice in the mirror. If anything, I could say that this cab was rare, but I thought, nah, forget it, you're home to Bel Air. Dun 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 dun. I pulled up to a house around 7 or 8, and I yelled to the cabbie, "You home, yelling for ya." Look to my kingdom, I was finally there to sit on my throne as the Prince of Bel Air. Alright guys, thanks for the contest. This is my last entry. See you next time.